Standard 9, Chapter 1, Evolution of Human and Society, Prehistoric Period, Session 2. In Session 1, we studied about prehistory, archaeology, paleoanthropology, Australopithecines, human inquiries into the past and origin of the world, Charles Darwin theory. Now, let's move on to Session 2, Prehistory, Past to the Present. Human evolution and migration. The chimpanzee, gorillas, orangutans, and humans are collectively called apes. Chimpanzee is closest to humans. Evidence for prehistory period is found in Great Rift Valley in Africa. Human ancestors are divided into various species according to the physical features. Hominid. All species of modern and extinct great apes including human. Hominins. The ancestors of human are called hominins. Human stand erect, walk with 2 legs and have brains. Human use tools and humans communicate. Homo habilis. They are the earliest human ancestors who made tools in Africa 2.6 million years ago. They have spread in various parts of Africa and Asia. Modern humans are called Homo sapiens. Earliest lithic assemblages of human ancestors. Human ancestors made tools. They are found in Lomikwi in Kenya. They used it for cutting, slicing, and processing food. Lower Paleolithic culture. Middle Paleolithic culture. Upper Paleolithic culture. Lower Paleolithic culture. The human ancestors made different tools in various sizes with stones, hand axes, and cleavers to meet their needs. Hand tools are known as Acheulean. It is found in Saint-Achel in France. They used to hunt animals and fed on meat. They gathered food, roots, nuts, and fruits. Kosastalaya River is the major cradle of human ancestors. Chennai, Karnataka, and Madhya Pradesh had concentration of lower Paleolithic culture. Middle Paleolithic culture. Stone Age means lithic technology. They made attractive tools, short blades, pointed blades, etc. These tools are found in Europe, Central and Western Asia. These people are called Neanderthals. They buried the dead people. They were the first human ancestors to mourn death properly. It is found in Tanjavur and Ariyalur. Upper Paleolithic culture. This period was marked by innovation in tool technology. These people made different tools for various purposes. Numerous paintings and artistic objects were made. Horns, ivory bone, needles were used to make tools. They wore clothes and cooked food. Mesolithic culture. Middle Stone Age. People used microlithic tools. They were hunters and gatherers. They produced tools in different sizes and shapes. Salem, Coimbatore, Madurai and Kanyakumari. Neolithic culture. This period marks the beginning of agriculture and domesticating animals. They preferred to live near the river banks. They cultivated wheat, barley, peas, fruits and nuts. Grinding and polishing techniques were used. Domesticated animals. Food production was surplus. Permanent houses were built. Velur and Dharmapuri. Megalithic, Iron Age. The people used iron to make tools, shell ornaments and beads made of quartz. Pudukottai and Thuthukudi. Burial types. They were in different shapes and size. Potholes are made on one side of the burial for the movement of the soul or spirit. Agriculture, pastoralism. Millets and rice were cultivated, supplying water to the fields from the rivers and tanks. Irrigation method. Domesticated cattle and sheep. They are found in Adichanallur in Thuthukudi district. Iron Age. Farming, pastoralist, hunter, gatherer, potters, blacksmith, craft specialist were the professionals during this period. Cattle lifting leads to war. Encroachment and expansion of territory started. Pottery. The Iron Age and Sangam Age people used black and red colors to make blackware and redware pottery. Potteries were used for cooking, storage and dining purpose. Iron technology and metal tools. They used iron. Weapons such as swords, daggers, axes, chisels, lamps, etc. were used by them. Iron tools were used for agriculture, hunting, gathering and in battles. They decorated the bowls and vessels with animals and birds, thus laid the foundation for ancient civilization. With this, we come to the end of Chapter 1, Evolution of Human and Society, Prehistoric Period. Thank you.